Give it 30 more seconds.
There we are. I saw Ace.
Because we were flying quite fast for those roads.
I turned around, I saw Ace, and then I looked back and now he's not here. Boys, can we go back?
You alright?
What happened?
He slid out. I didn't see it, but I'm glad I was slowing down.
You alright? Do you come off fast or not?
About 65.
You alright?
I think the crash cage saved the bike.
Is that? No. Yeah, let him sit there for a second. We knew something was a bit iffy when... fuck.
Yeah.
We couldn't hear anything, so like, we should probably go back.
Shift lever's fucked.
Ah.
That's bent. Other than that...
To be fair, it's not... So what, they slid, was it round that corner and then slid?
I think it was as he was coming back in.
Oh, right.
Look at the scratch marks on the ground are quite far back.
Yeah.
So what, did you slide out as you came round and then go all the way down there?
I tried to downgrade, so I tried to down select and it fucking went straight into there, pushed me
Oh,
up.
what, did you downshift and like get
Boosted me up
spun?
in the air, and then it slid down there.
What, the bike went in the air?
Oh yeah, bike actually went in the air.
I mean, Ace, your crash cage did a good job, there's a chunk of it. That's a chunk of your cage.
I don't know why, Ace, but I just sent you a video.
Brake lever's fucked as well.
Is it?
Yeah,
Did
crash
it-
cage did the well.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, the puck fell off.